friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we get started with MyFitnessPal. So let's get started. Once you open the MyFitnessPal, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the start for free and you can just click on continue. Now you have to add your first name here. Click on next. Now select up to 3 that are important to you, including one weight goal. So you can just choose any 3 options, and great, you have just taken a big step on your journey. Click on the next. What are your reasons for wanting to gain weight? Just choose any option and go to next. Dialing in your nutrition is a great way to get to the next level. Click on next. What results do you want to achieve from gaining muscle? So choose any option of your choice and go to next. Now click on the next again. Complete this statement: I feel better after I. Choose any option and click on next. Running is a great way to break a sweat while relieving stress. Click on next. What is your baseline activity level? Choose any option and go to next. Please select which section we should use to calculate your calorie need. So click on any option and choose your date of birth here. Now you can also choose your country and click on next option. How tall are you? You can add your height here. How much do you weigh? It's okay to estimate, you can update this later. And what's your goal weight? You can click on next. Please, you just have to enter all these options. You cannot go next without it. How much do you weigh? Add your goal. What is your weekly goal? You can choose any option and click on next. Almost there, create your account. Now you have to enter your email address and password. Now click on continue. Now click on create a username. You can create a username for you and just click on the finish option. So now you can see you are with the MyFitnessPal app, and you can just click on explore my fitness and you can use this app for your use. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.